Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a brand new video, and for today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can redeem or use your Next gift card online. In order to do so, make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and also make sure to stick with us till the end. And first thing, open up your web browser. As you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in www.next.co.uk. Don't worry about the link, you can find it on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So then, before getting started, make sure that you already have an account, and if you don't have an account, then you need to sign up. And once you sign up, you'll be taken to this kind of interface. So basically, how you can redeem or use a gift card is that you can use it while checking out. So what you need to do is, first thing, once you're logged into your account, now select the product. Let's say that I'm gonna go with this one. Now go through all of these information regarding the item or the products. Once you've done that, click on add to bag. As soon as you click on add to bag, this product will be added to your bag. After you added the product to your bag, you can either check out or you can view the bag. So for now, I'm just gonna go with the checkout. So you'll be asked to log in into your account, so you need to enter in your email address or your customer number and a password, and then click on sign in. After that, you'll be taken to the payment section, where you'll need to scroll down a bit, and right in between you'll be able to find a gift card or e-vouchers. Find the option, click on it, and then enter in the card number or the gift card number and click on checkout, and then you've successfully redeemed your gift card online. So in this way, you can redeem your Next gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.